Hello and welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet Edmonton. Today we have a used 2023 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 RST in the color black. Under the hood you do have a 5.3 liter V8 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. This truck also rides on 20-inch wheels. Some key features we got going on here are the black recovery hooks. You get the black grille as well as the LED reflector headlights, LED fog lights, and daytime running lights. Taking a peek on the door, we do have the beautiful wood grain trim finish. We have our door locks, window locks, as well as our mirror adjusters. This truck does come equipped with a Bose sound system. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we do have our tow modes, as well as our ambient lighting in the truck bed and just our light controls. We have our leather wrap steering wheel. On the left-hand side, we have our adaptive cruise control and our heated steering wheel. And then on the right side, we do have our hands-free calling and our audio controls. Moving over to our entertainment screen, we are just on the audio portion. This truck does come equipped with a backup camera, and you get several different angles. You get the front, the back, top front, top back, and then you get your side angles as well as your hitch. Put that into park, press this, you get Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. We have our lane keep assist, our parking sensor, automatic on and off, our tailgate release button. We have our dual climate control zone, so you and your front passenger can all have free range. We have our USB-C and USB charger port on the right hand side. We have our gear shifter right here. And then if we open this guy up, we have more charging ports as well as our wireless charging station. Alrighty, now that we've made it to the back of the vehicle, as you see, we do have the corner side steps on the rear bumper. We have our trailer hitch wiring just below there. And this vehicle also does come with automatic tailgate release. So we got that there. We have 12 tie downs in this vehicle. We have the 120 volt charger, and we also have some ambient lighting in the truck bed. Thank you for watching today. If you have any questions on the 2023 Chevrolet Silverado, feel free to give us a call or come on in. We'll be happy to help. Cheers.